Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to convert USDT to XRP on Bybit. So to get started, you have to open the Bybit app or the website and log into your account. Then tap on the trade from the bottom menu, then select the spot trading, then select the trading pair, which is in the search bar. So just type in the XRP/USDT or select any other cryptocurrency pair of your choice. Then after that, for a quick swap, select the market order, which is the execute instantly at the current market price. So if you prefer to set your price, use the limit order. Then after that, under the buy SRP section, enter the amount of USDT you want to convert. Then after that, double check the details and click on buy SRP. Then confirm the transaction. Then in a minute, go to your assets to see your new SRP balance. And if you notice that your SRP balance is not updated, just refresh the app or probably close and reclose and reopen it again. Then your assets will be right in your balance, and that's how to convert USDT to XRP on Bybit.